Need to turn your USDT into Naira on Snowexchange. Here's the simple step-by-step flow. First, sign into your Snowexchange account and open spot trading. At the top of the trading screen, make sure the pair is set to USDT/NGN. Next, go to the trade panel and switch from buy to sell. Choose market if you want to sell quickly at the available rate, or choose limit if you want to set your own price. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. As you type, Snowexchange shows the estimated Naira proceeds, so you can review what you are expected to receive. Before you continue, check the trading pair, the amount, the rate, and the proceeds carefully. When everything looks correct, tap Sell USDT. After the order is processed, you can check your order history or wallet balance to confirm the transaction. That's it. With Snowexchange, you can convert USDT to Naira in a simple, clear, and confident way. In the next video, we'll show you how to withdraw Naira from your Snowexchange wallet.